Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we will go through how to connect your Lovable with GitHub so that you can export from Lovable to your GitHub repositories. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you will need to open up and go to Lovable and sign into your profile. Now, what you need to do is go to the left side here, down below, you will see your profile picture. Click on that, and after that go to settings, and right here you will see GitHub directly. Now if you're not connected yet, here you will uh, press the button connect to GitHub, click on that, and you will go through procedure, just short one. You will need to log in and give some permission to Lovable and connect this GitHub. After that, you will just need to confirm your on your email, and you will get one code to put it in, and you will be connected to Lovable. Now, go to your project, and in the right corner here, you will find View Your Project on GitHub. And what will you need to do is just connect it, click on that, and voila. So here now you have the whole project which we created, and this is how we connect Lovable with GitHub. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.